Morning, students.
Good morning, students. I am
I'm
Rajesh
Rajesh Kumar,
Kumar,
Assistant
Assistant Professor,
Professor,
Department of
Department of
Computer
Computer
Science and
Science
Engineering,
and
PSM College
Engineering,
of Engineering and Technology.
PSN set.
Today I am going to handling the
I'm
class
going
for
to handling the
computer
subject
graphics.
for
Computer
computer
graphics is
graphics.
nothing but whatever it is anything to
Before
change
we
the
are going
shape
to
of an object.
handling the classes
The
computer
shape of an
graphics,
object
first we
like
should know
anything. An
what
object
is
like what is
graphics,
called object.
why we are going
Each
to
and
study
every entity will
the
be called
computer
as an
graphics.
object. Like that,
Graphics is nothing
paper,
but
pencil,
each and
table,
every
chair, and
object
whatever
has
it
to
is, the
change,
entity will be called as an
has to be
object.
in
We
own
can
modeling.
change or
For example,
alter the size
what
of
is
an
object?
object, and this
Anyone
concept will
knows?
be called as a
Object
graphics.
like anything,
Computer
each and
graphics
every
is
entity will be
nothing
called as
but
an
we
object.
have to
For like
original
the
shape
table,
it will be
chair,
converted as an
pen, chalk,
converted
board,
object.
and each and
The
everything
normal object will be converted
is
as
called object.
shape, changed
The
objects.
basic
Those
definition of
processes will be
object
called
is
as computer
each and every.
graphics.
And generally,
Overview of
before
graphic
we are going
system.
to study the
First, in
computer
this chapter
graphics,
1, we are going to
and we
see
must
survey
study
of computer
overview of graphic
graphics.
systems.
Overview of graphic system. A
In this
complete
syllabus, we are going to
portfolio of
study
graphical systems,
a
which
general survey of
includes
graphic
a basic
systems.
image
And overview of
representation of
graphic
graphical
systems, it
images.
contains
And those
image
graphical
basics.
images having some
Of
hardware
course,
peripherals also.
if you are
And
going to
those
do
peripherals like that,
something
the
in
input
graphics, we
unit
need
as
an
well as
object.
computations
Those
unit and
object,
as well as
whatever it is, it
output.
will
The
be converted
general
as an
protocol
images.
or general
Those images
profile
we are
of the
going to
computer
handle
graphics is nothing but a normal
from
PC works
transformation
act like
for one
this.
form to
A
another
normal
form.
input we are
So we must study what are
giving
the
the input to
basics
the
of
system and the
connecting
processor which
images,
makes the
which means object,
processing of
connecting
data
objects,
or input whatever
and
we have to
graphics
given in the
hardware. Graphics
computer,
hardware in the sense,
and also the
and we
results will be
don't need a
produced
normal
at the
computer
final
to
stage.
do
The
to
same
do
scenario
the
will act
graphics
like this
softwares.
here.
So we
And the
need
input
some
is describing
specialized
something
software
to
to
the
do
computer. Whatever the
graphics
work
and make our
assign some
systems.
task to the computer.
So
The
what kind of
computer
software
makes
or what kind of
some
hardware
processing
devices we
units
actually need
computing what we
for
want to
doing
draw. In
graphics?
this scenario, we are doing
In a normal
graphical units. So
system
the
having
graphical
own
units which
keyboard,
makes something to
mouse, etc.,
draw.
etc. I think you guys are
Essentially,
known
we
what
have to
IO
draw
devices in
something like
computer.
that,
Yes
table,
or no?
chair, paper,
Yes.
pencil, whatever it is. We are changing
What
the
are the IO
original
devices?
diagram or original dimensions of an object.
Just see. The input in
And
this,
final
what we have to
representation or
describe
final
something to the
representation,
computer.
it will be the converted
Computation by
object or
computation,
converted
what we want to draw.
images. So original images
And
we
what
are
we
given in
get
the
from
input.
the output. We
After we
give
are
one
given in the
input and
input, the
make some
processing
computance, and
unit
what
which makes some
we can
process.
take the
That may
output
be any
from the
computer graphics
computations.
algorithm which includes
So this
all
is
those
called a
processing
computer.
units.
What is
So
computer
after
processor?
converting
We
the
given one
processing,
input
the final
and make some
representation
computation
will appear
process,
over
and
here.
we received some.
And next, what's the goal of
What's the
computer
goal of
graphics? Why we
computer
are doing
graphics?
computer graphics? In this current
What is the need
world,
of computer
each and
graphics? Why
everything
we are studying
will
computer
be
graphics?
modernized.
Example,
Modernized
high
like
level only
nowadays we
computer graphic systems
are
are there.
using
Lower
statical
level,
web
what is the
pages.
computer
Nowadays
graphics?
all
We
are
are going
dynamic web
to
pages. For example,
do some high
we are
level
booking the
graphics,
online
like that
tickets,
you
online shopping,
guys are saying
and
service
whatever it is
sector,
that dynamic
Indian
programming or dynamic
2.0, etc.,
operations
etc.
are
Those
we are
things
using
are
day by day
having
activities
too
or day
much
by
of
day
graphics,
usages. So we are standing in a
animated things,
long queue
whatever
for
like that.
booking train tickets
The lower
in our
level in the
past.
sense,
But
we are
nowadays,
just doing
all
something
are
for
systemized.
like the Photoshop,
Systemized in the
PS6,
sense, the
PS7,
software
and too
programming
many things are
becoming
we can change.
tremendous
If I am going to
development.
apply
So that's
my
why
own
it's the
photography
next
image,
level
it
of
converted as
software
into
industries in the
some
growth
other
level up
pixels,
to
ratios,
earlier
whatever it
from
is.
the beginning up to
But in
the
generally,
next level.
image,
High
what is
level
image?
programming languages
Image
as well as
consists
low
of
level programming languages.
pixels,
Both the
collection of
computational
pixels combined
process,
together. It
a
will
similar difference between high
concluded
level as
into
well
one
as low
fine
level. High
image,
level in
right?
the sense that
What
nowadays
is
we are
image?
using
Collection of
all the
pixels.
smartphones,
So in
graphical
those
images,
pixels, we have to
Photoshop,
change
CorelDRAW,
the
etc.,
pixel
etc. So all
formation.
the statical
Pixel
conversions it
standard.
will be
How we
transformed
can
into
convert a
dynamic.
normal image into
How we are
graphical
going to
image?
do?
How we can
High level
convert?
programming is
If you
like you
are
are
going to
doing some work,
enlarging
some
an image,
Photoshop
the
works,
original
CorelDRAW
size
works
might be
in
reflected.
your PC
And you
or
guys
mobile phones,
normally using
etc.
a
So
smartphone.
in
You are
those
already
statical
using
works will
smartphone,
be
and
transformed or
you guys
converted
had
into
you have
dynamic
own
pages. Dynamic pages like
camera app.
graphics. Too many
You have
softwares are available for doing graphical works.
yes, you can.
Examples
So
Aranon
many
in
apps
mechanical
are
CAD/CAM
available for
software.
changing an
CAD/CAM software
images, pixel
for a
resolutions,
single
and
software we
contrast,
can rotate the
colors,
car,
various images are
car
available.
wheel
In
and
those
dynamo, whatever,
applications are
etc.,
comes
etc.
under
So lower
graphics.
level, what is the computer doing? So in this process, all those things are happened in the system. System can contain or control all those things. In the major thing or in the major unit or major area, a computer have some capacity of handling graphical algorithms or graphical images. If suppose we are having less capacity of computer, in the sense we can't adapt those graphical images or tremendous changes of computer graphical representations. So once we are going to do some graphical algorithms or graphical images, we have to convert. We just focused on our system capacity. So the major point, business of generating images. Just look at the images. Whole images having made up of pixels. Pixels, what is it? What is called pixels? Each and single unit, each and every penny unit of representation, pixel representation would be called as pixels. Collection of pixels is combined of called of unit representation of graphical images. Just look at the images.
Example.
After that, and these images are somewhat blurred. Somewhat blurred in the sense we just focus the images, otherwise we just zoom in the images. Once we have to zoom the images, pixel rates are collapsed. Pixel rates are enhanced. If we suppose to enhance the pixel rates or enhance the images, the pixel rate elaborate or enhanced. If we suppose to enhance the images, the quality of the pixel or quality of the images might be reduced. How we can overcome the problem? Just look at another one zooming process. Another one zooming process. So completely, and this is called a pixel. The complete each and every single unit or single penny will be collected as a pixels. And somewhat color combinations are also available. The major color combination of computer graphics is RGB. R which will be represented as red, and G will be represented as green, blue will be represented as blue. And this diagram how the color combinations which involves in computer graphics. So these are the programs are systemized. These are the color combinations are already inbuilt in all each and every software. So yearly application of graphics like that, as I told just before, CAD/CAM applications. The simple, just look at those two images. The first images over here in the bottom of the slide, a home. But the top elevation of the image look like an helicopter. Sorry, aeroplane. Absolutely right. So this is the problem. This is the fundamental of computer graphics. What is the view of images? What is the view of images in our eye point of view? If suppose we are changing our eyesight or the camera eyesight or whatever the view we can see in the images, it will totally different from other genre. If suppose home in one single point of view, the direction will be represented as X. Okay, let us assume the image having all three coordinates like X and Y and Z. Okay, in front view we can see the image. Front view we can see the image called home. At the same time, the top elevation of the same image, which means the portion of top of X, the portion of top of Y, plus that portion of top of Z. All the three coordinates combined together in the top view. Front view is a home, top view is an aeroplane. So these changes will be called as graphics. This is the basic platform of the tremendous development unit of computer graphics. The graphics is like anything in the medical field. We have diagnosis and precision by using graphical algorithms, virtual reality, and data visualization, scientific engineering, medical data is a major unit of computer graphics. Visualization of millions of billions of data points. Data points like we have to diagnose some brain tumor. For applying graphical sensing algorithms are available. Some different schemes are also available. So virtual reality in the sense user interacts and views with the 3D world using more natural
visual images in the
which
sense
means
the
2D and
axis can
3D.
have
We are already
actual
familiarly we know
what is
4G like that 5G, 3G or 4G. What is the comparison? What is the difference between 3G as well as 4G?
transformation and
The same concept, the same scenario we are using here too. If we suppose 2D, two-dimensional, only X and Y are applicable.
in that unit and
We just enhance the complete
two
portfolio of an image, we just move 3D, 2D into 3D. 3D in the sense 3-dimensional. What is the best example of 3-dimensional object? What is the best example of 3-dimensional image? We are all seen in our day-by-day activities. In our home, just seeing your corner of the roof.
One side is Y, another one side
just seeing your home's corner of the roof. The 3D image you have to show in your home too. X for direct center portion is X and the left portion is Y, right portion is Z. That that's nothing better than the comparison of images. You are corner of the roof of your home is the best example of 3D object. So comparing this, two portions is applicable for
Education,
2D
training,
and
knowledge
another
of
one side
physical,
also
financial,
is
social
it
systems,
viewable or visible
comprehension of
for
complex
applying
systems,
3D images. Okay.
computer, fine and
In these
commercial
two
art,
applications
art,
for education and training
side
purpose
craft,
also we can
aesthetic
use
computing,
graphical.
games,
Financial,
movies,
social systems,
etc. etc.
comprehension of complex systems. It's computer art like fine and commercial art also performing. See, this is the basic graphic system. As I told you earlier, the input unit is available and central unit called processing unit, and how the output was actually made by using the processing unit. Okay, input devices already known. We have keyboard, mouse, as well as writing pad, etc., etc. Writing pad in the sense systematic writing pad. Okay, so the processing unit having processor, frame buffer, as well as memory, and the output our window unit. Our display unit will be normally called as output unit. Okay, and this is the main portfolio of computer graphics. CRT. What is it? Cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube. This is the main fundamental or main unit of computer graphics. Is the main unit which will be displayed the results in our window plane. In computer graphics, there is two plane is available. One is window plane, another one is view plane. What is window plane? What is view plane? Window plane is nothing but our monitor. Window plane is nothing but our monitor. View plane in the sense our surface area, our display area. If you are seeing my video representation or my video presentation in the medium of your computer or your device or your mobile phones, okay, so your mobile phone, which means that is your window plane. In that window plane, you are seeing my faces or my presentation in one particular area or particular surface. Hope you understood. Those surface or that places of viewing my image or my presentation, whatever it is, the display unit will be called as view plane. The whole window unit will be called as monitor unit will be called as window plane. So in computer graphics, the CRT plays a vital role, and two plane is available. One is window plane, another one is view plane. Okay, it can be used either as a line drawing device, calligraphic, or to display contents of frame buffer. Raster mode. We are seeing another two more concepts in CRT. One is raster display, or another one is random scan display. And what is those? Raster scan display and random scan display. We are seeing. So just look at the images of CRT, and electron gun is obvious. Electron gun is the purpose of charging the diode or charging the electrode. Once it is charged, the electron gun, it will be charged in the sense electrons will be produced. It's the 11th standard physics, right? Electron gun, once we plug in the power, electron gun will be charged through the electricity. Electron gun charged in the sense electrons produced. Once the electron produced, it will be directly moved into two deflection plates. What is it? One is X deflection plate, another one is Y deflection plate. What is X deflection? What is Y deflection? It's nothing but it's just a copper plate. Electrons received from the plates, one is horizontally placed, another one is vertically placed. What is the difference? What is the need? Not like that difference, I'm just sorry. The difference are the actual needed of placing the copper plates. One is X, another one is Y, as well as horizontally as well as vertically. What is the purpose? What is the need? For reflecting the electrons. For reflecting the electrons, and those electrons directly appear in the phosphor coated screen. The best example is your television. CRT monitor. You guys are in a developed world. So just view in your past, all the computer is on CRT monitor. In the CRT monitor, you just open the CRT monitor, the CRT will appear. Otherwise, the best example of your television, CRT television is, for past 10 years, all the homes are having CRT televisions. You just open the backside of the CRT televisions, CRT monitor televisions, the CRT will be appears. Okay, the phosphorus coated screen is available. Once the electron, we just plug in the television, for through electricity, electron guns are charged. Once the electron guns are charged, the electrons are distributed through some focusing unit, and that focusing unit streamlined the electrons and it will be through to the two deflection plates. One is X deflection plates, another one is Y deflection plates. Okay, so those two deflection plates are streamlined the electrons, and it will be appears in the phosphor coated screen, and those screen reflect receiving the signals from the deflection plates, both X as well as Y. It will enhance or it will charge, and the display unit will enhance or display unit will charge. Okay, in our point of view, the television is on. Something is on the pictures. Okay, so in between or inner portion of the television or monitor, this process is same like this. This is the fundamental or basics of computer graphics. So before we are doing all the graphical algorithms, graphical images, conversion process, raster scan display, random scan display, etc., etc. First we have to analyze. First we have to understand the basics of computer graphics. Okay, and this is the main portfolio of CRT is the main portfolio of computer graphics. In early days, just now we are going to see the history of computer graphics. History of computer graphics. In very early days, 1950 to 60, computer graphics goes back to the earliest days of computing. Strip charts, pen plotters, simple display of analog to digital converters, AD converters like analog to digital converters to go from computer to calligraphic CRT. Okay, and next wireframe graphics. So 60 to 70s are called wireframe graphics. Okay, most of civil engineers are used the same concepts for drawing the sketchpad or display process and storage tube. They are manually sketched their idea, and the same image will through some graphical algorithm. It will give the systematic representation of their plan. Okay, and these concepts also appear in 1960s to 70s. Sketchpad as a unique concept, Sketchpad in the sense recognizes the potential of man-machine interaction, which means manually we have to draw something. Sketchpad uses by using the Sketchpad and the unit, it will directly inserted into the computer, and those computer receiving the manual sketch through the platform of Sketchpad, and it will display in our window plane or view plane. Okay, and display processor is the processing unit. For example, you are known the CPU, central processing unit. The same concept it is appeared here. Okay, DVST, that stands for Direct View Storage Tube. Okay, Direct View Storage Tube. This is also one of the platform of 3D conversion. Relatively inexpensive, but nowadays we are all using LED televisions, right? In LED televisions, we are using the same concept, Direct View Storage Tube. Okay, I want to tell you something. You are all using LED TV, but any chance you have to think about how the LED television give the brightness comparing to the LCD TV much better, like that. So comparing to the LCD or some other CRT monitor, LED television or LED computer or LED monitor display gives more attraction and brightness. It will give. How it is possible? Of course possible. Comparing to 3G, why we are moving 4G? The upgraded version. Comparing to Windows 7, why we are moving Windows 10? It is an upgraded version, right? So same concept. Comparing to LCD, liquid crystal display, we are moving light emitting diode LED display, right? So if at any case you are going to visit at any television repair shop, just seeing the LED television. In back side of the LED televisions having some backend lights. Otherwise, just YouTube, just Google it. LED television backlight problem. LED television backlight problem. Just Google it or YouTube it. Okay. Once you search, you can see the complete working operations of backlight. What is the backlight? In your LED television, so all the whole 4 sides having backlight units. In that backlight unit, receiving the electrons and charged, it will give the original bright display of your window unit. Okay, the same concept we are just seeing phosphor coated screen CRT. Hope you remember, right? This is the advanced version. That portion we are using phosphor coated screen. Phosphor with charging, it will give some brightness. The same concept backlight portion. Backlight portion will give some more attractive display unit of LED. So this is the advancement, right? In 70 to 80s, And raster graphics and graphic standards, which next to the another level. The North American effort, workstations and PCs. And 70s to 80s, PCs are coming very rarely. Just raster pictures. In left side, you just seeing the cat picture, and right side, you are seeing the eye of the cat. Okay, and the pixel ratio much differs, right? Eye is a sensitive portion. Image produced as an array. The raster picture elements in the frame buffer. Frame buffer like collection of pixels will be placed in a frame. And right side is a frame. The frame buffer like frame buffer which monitors each and every pixels of the cat or eye of the cat. Okay, so you are in your left side, you are seeing just a single image, cat. In right side, you are just seeing a single image called eye of the cat, but the pixel rate is much higher compared to the left portion. So this is called the comparison graphics, rasterization like that comparison. So in the existing and the proposed, not proposed, existing, the comparison of the classification, comparison of the image classifications. Okay. Some more examples from lines or wireframe. Then PCs and workstations are nowadays it's very familiar. Too many PCs are available. Early workstations are also available. All are network. We are in the internet world. Network connections, high level of interactivities, Wi-Fi routers are available. So PCs, workstations, cloud server. So all combined together, the world of graphics much higher. So 80s to 90s, the 2D involvement was really bigger. Smooth shading, environment mapping, bump mapping, the three concepts. It's a very old concept actually. Smooth shading in the sense once we are applying the image and those image, we are applying the shading concept. Smooth shading, environment mapping like that, applying some colors. Bump mapping like that, applying single color. Single color which is denoted as point out some technical errors if is applied for capturing the pictures through our camera and the quality of the camera like that. Okay. 80s to 90s, silicon graphics geometry engines and render man and network systems are available. HCA is an important concept, human computer interface. Okay. In earlier 2000, 90 to 2000, OpenGL API. This is the basic fundamental of algorithm. Open Gladiator like that. What is it? Gladiator language, otherwise graphical language. Gladiator in the sense a much powerful man. The same name will appear here. OpenGL like that, open graphical language. API like application package interface. OpenGL, open graphical language, and API application package. You are all software engineers. I am asking the question to you. Tell me any three programming languages. You are all answered. What is it? C, C++, Java. But this is something different, something wonderful language of graphical languages, API. API in the sense application package interface, and this concept we are all seeing all the programming languages, right? Okay. So in these graphical languages, graphical algorithms developed in the earlier years of 2000. Okay. In the year 2000 to 2010, lots of developing applications of Photoshop like that, NVIDIA, ATI, game boxes, like that gaming applications, graphical development, Maya, Lightware, programming pipelines. These are all the concepts of software. Computer graphics, routine in movies. In all the movies, photorealism. It's a main concept. Photorealism, like original image will be converted as a duplicate image. Hope you understood. Original image copied into duplicate image. Like that in our televisions or in our movies, hero or heroines play a dual role, right? The same concept. That those concepts will be called as photorealism. Original pictures converted as a duplicate pictures. In this kind of all the concepts are developed in 2000 to 2010. In the 20, Amazon Web Series, iPhone, virtual reality, Oculus Rift, artificial intelligence, big data, deep learning, Google Car. So graphics has a tremendous improvement in their own world. Okay.